Do you have a hard time using ändern to change in German? Well, I can change that. Ha 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 ha. Das kann ich ändern. The problem that we usually have when we come from the English to change is that change in English doesn't necessarily need an object. So I can change, for example, the color of the wall, but I can also change, meaning basically I'm changing myself, but I don't need to say this myself. Whereas in German, ändern always needs an object, even if we're not so 100% sure what is actually the object of the change. And I'm going to show you this in a second. But basically we can say, ich ändere die Farbe der Wand or something. Or I would have to say, ich ändere mich. Du änderst dich, ändert sich, sie ändert sich, and so on. In the third person, it would be sich. You cannot say ändert ihn, because that means he's changing another person. He's not changing himself. He's not changing his own behavior, whatever he is actually changing. That even applies to situations where things change by themselves. Like, for example, the plan has changed. Somebody must have changed it, but we don't really know who. So how would we say it in German? We would say, der Plan hat sich geändert. So again, we have this sich as if the plan decided by itself to change itself. Not really true. Somebody must have changed it, but we don't know who. And then we just assume that the plan decided to change itself, because again, we need this object even if we have to make it up, and the only one that is available here is the plan itself. So it becomes again this reflexive form sich. We cannot say something like der Plan hat geändert. It would be wrong. Or also ich ändere. Would be wrong. Yeah, you can see the object is missing. We need an object. Another thing that you might get wrong sometimes is that the meaning of the verb to change and ändern in German does not overlap to 100%. And that is something that applies in general. We can never go and have one word translated into another language and assume that it's always exactly the same meaning. So for example, in English, I can change the color of the wall, as I said before. I can also change the batteries of a device. In German, that's not ändern, that's wechseln. Ich wechsle die Batterien. Why? Ändern means to alter, to modify the characteristics. So like changing the color of the wall will still be there. It will still be the same wall. Whereas with the batteries, you're taking them out, you're replacing them. So this replacing is actually wechseln in German and not ändern. And then there is a subtle difference between ändern and verändern. You might have known both of these verbs. What's the difference? Ich ändere mich, ich verändere mich. Well, this prefix ver always means that an action is difficult to reverse, difficult to undo. So here, what does that mean? If I say ich ändere mich, it means I've decided to change a behavior. Like, for example, I want to stop smoking. But it would be very easy for me to go back to my old behavior. Okay, ich ändere mich, I'm not smoking anymore, but if I want to, I can just go back to smoking anytime. Hopefully I won't, but I could theoretically. Whereas if I say ich verändere mich, then that's a bit of a deeper, at a deeper level that I have no control over. Like, for example, I'm changing because of age. I'm getting more stubborn, and I notice this, or I get tired more easily, and I can't really change that. I notice the change, but I cannot undo it. I will not be able to come back to my old behavior very easily. So this is then verändern versus ändern. Hope this has been helpful. If you like the video, please share it with your German learning friends and subscribe to the channel.